This is a little side project. So at one point they busted some of this out here to put this septic line in and never really mended it up. So these are jagged, broken out bricks here. So what I did was I first built a wooden frame, had to screw it in once the top was in because you had to go around this. And then I carefully concreted it in on both sides. I had to crawl in there to work on the other side. Then I built this little shelf here and set it in there and put a couple screws in so it doesn't fall in. So that way it looks a lot better. And now we have some more area I can put stuff to keep organized, because this is my little work area here, so that'll be really nice, handy. So a little side project all complete.